In this world full of competition, industrial automation plays the most important part. And with this vision, Multispan Control Instrument Private Limited began its humble journey in 1986 by designing and developing user-friendly and feature-rich industrial automation products that help us in simplifying operations with utmost accuracy. With 300 plus staff members, the company has managed to achieve operational efficiency with in-house development teams, which includes hardware, software and mechanical design. With wide range of standard industry products, plus numerous customized applications, Multispan boasts a 200 plus product range. Our state-of-the-art facilities spread across 1 acre premises located in prime industrial area in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Our teams are committed to achieve optimum performance of the products along with aesthetic appeal. This is possible because the company's infrastructure includes in-house setup of laser, UV and pad printing, article mold design and 3D printing prototyping. With fully automated SMT electronics assembly line along with molding setup, in-house design testing jigs and calibrators, quality is maintained throughout the operation. In this journey of more than 3 decades, we have designed and developed many products like process control instruments, programmable timers and counters, PID temperature controllers, power and energy meters, protection relays. Our range of industrial automation products has applications in various industries like pharmaceutical industry, textile process house, plastic extrusion and molding, food processing machines, ovens and furnace, special purpose machines, cement industry, electrical panels, electrical test equipments. Our approach to offer products and solutions has always been based on the quality first principle along with performance, consistency, safety and value. Our team is devoted for quality assurance at each and every production process, right from the raw material input all the way till testing and delivering finished product. Whether it is a mass-produced product or a tailor-made product for a specific customer, the company's mission is to offer innovative solutions in industrial automation for various applications. With innovative offerings since 3 decades, the products are now spread across India and 25 plus countries across the globe. Customization is our niche, and our sales and service team strongly believes that offering customized solutions for industrial automation will earn the company its prestige and nourish its brand for future growth. We believe that it's not only the passion to develop great products that has brought us to such heights. It's also because of our skilled people across diverse departments. The team that the company nurtures forms the basis of development of products that are innovative and user-friendly. Listening to customers' needs is the only marketing strategy our sales team has. And that is the reason the company has deployed pan-India sales and service staff to be able to support a customer for each and every application and concern. With robust distribution network across India and strong distribution channel in major export markets of Middle East, Asia and Africa, we are able to support our customers with prompt deliveries.